My name is Adeyemi. Today I'm going to be showing us how we can easily sort out this particular issue, fatal error on website. Actually, this morning when I woke up, I checked my website and I found out that there is an error that was popping out, right? So I'm using this opportunity just to show other people that might also encounter this error. So today I'm going to be showing us how we can easily rectify it. So it's showing that there are some plugin that is not available, right? So there is some plugin words here. That means the first approach is for us to just work on the plugin that we have. I try my best in order for me to open the admin dashboard. Well, I'm not able to do that as well. So the first approach is for us to go to cPanel and then the file manager. So this is my cPanel for the website. So I will just go straight to file manager. This is where all my files are. So I will now locate where the website is, and for me to be able to remove one or two plugins and know the actual plugin that is giving that error. Good. So here I'm going to go straight to where the website is. Again, this is the file, the software folder that I use. So with my file. So then click on contents, right? And then so plugin. So I don't know actual plugin that is giving this error, right? But I will try and be disabling it one after the other. So let me delete this, delete. So it will be inside trash so that I can easily recover them, restore them back if this is not the actual plugin that's giving an error. So delete, then go to the website, refresh. Still the same thing. So let's delete file manager, confirm, refresh. Still the same. So as you can see, it seems like it is light speed that is causing the issue. So you can also see that we have successfully restored back the website. We can also see now that it's back to live, right? So I have to restore some previous plugin that I deleted initially. So far I've already know the cause of the error, which is a cache plugin. So I have to restore other one. So we now go straight to our trash. These are the plugins. So I restore this one. Yeah, restore. So then I have to go back again and refresh. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So let me proceed to the next one. This one too, restore. Let me refresh again. So this is the actual plugin that is causing the error, right? So simple posts. Let me restore this too. Restore this too. So let me refresh for the last time. Good, perfectly. So we can all see that we're able to successfully solve this issue now. Thank you very much. Bye.